Bitches in my old phone. But she call when it go home. I've been in this club too long.
It's Jeff Holland
on Kiss 92.
There's some bad out there that I really wanna sex up. They'll probably only let me cause I'm next up. Got me feeling like a nigga now, yes sir. Running through and looking for a down. It's like looking for them hitters on SoundClick. Hoping someone else ain't already killed it. Wait up for real, you exclusive, I found it. Baby say it's true, I don't wanna have to wait on you. These are things I got.
Please leave a message. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting, oh, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Life, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to, like, you don't have to talk to me. Like, you don't have to try to teach me. Like, you ain't have to learn me, earn me. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away. It's a good thing, it's a good thing. All I wanted was for you to stay. It's the bare minimum for me. I don't wanna throw it all away, but you don't have to reciprocate. You can take that back.
Look at my nails. Like, don't play. I like them. First of all.
if you're a bad girl. Get me bad girl.
Out this vlog. Okay, hey everybody, so thank you guys so much for watching this vacation prep vlog with me. I tried to just keep it very relaxing. I didn't want to talk too much and everything, so if you made it to the end, this is the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you check out Jenny, I left her Instagram handle and everything in the description box if you guys want to reach out to her. She did my knotless braids for $220, which is really good in Toronto because, you know, out here it is expensive for some knotless braids. I was seeing like $700, $800 for braids, so check her out, you guys. She does many other styles, not just this, and she was just so sweet. So this is the finished look. I love everything. My nails, my hair, everything just looks so good. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.